It's currently 11 p.m. and a bitch feels inspired. And yeah. Have you guys seen that video where the guy's like, this is what it's like talking to Generation Z? And he's like, what are you wearing today? What? Oh, what you wearing today? If you guys hear people in the background, those are my kids. They don't know how to stay quiet. Cool. So just accept them as they are. I mean, what can I do? I can't sell them anymore. They're too old. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and help a girl out. And if you guys are here because you already subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys this very fast and simple makeup look that I use on a daily basis just to even run errands. It's very simple, very cute, and it does not take very much effort. I do this in about 20 minutes at most, and that's because I take forever to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to just fast forward everything so you guys don't have to watch me ramble and yell at myself if I mess up. I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I'm using. I washed my face already and I've been looking for a good moisturizer or just a lotion, moisturizer, anything. So I started using this just a couple days ago and it's actually working very well on my skin. It feels moisturized. I used it earlier and it kept my skin moisturized for a really long time. So I did moisturize with that first, right after my shower. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. Just gonna apply a little bit on my fingers and rub that in. And then I start with my eyebrows. So I'm going to fast forward from here on out and zoom in a little bit so you guys can see my flaws. Okay guys, so this is the final result. But yeah, what I do is just I use a lot more blush than I do the bronzer. I think it just gives off a little cute, very cheek look. So when I was about to put this lash on, I was trying to take off excess glue that was like in a little corner, and tell me why I ripped off like hairs, like a full-on like lash, like piece of lash. Could you see it? It's like right there. I'm so sad. Like it's a really big piece, like it's supposed to go right there, but you can't really tell just because I did you can't really tell because I did mascara on top of it, so it kind of evened it out, but not really. Like I don't know if you could tell though. It's like this big space right here. I do this almost every time that I'm gonna go out. Today I did the eyeshadow, but I usually don't. I usually skip the eyeshadow step just because, I mean, I don't need it. I think the lashes, just the lashes, do a lot for you. And if you have lash extensions, like perfect. You have to skip this whole step. And I suck at this. Like I suck at doing my lashes, so I'm thinking about doing lash extensions, to be honest. Because it takes me so long. I'm not built for this. But anyways, so this is the final look. Like I said, it's very easy. My foundation, I had a little bit of trouble with my foundation, but no problem at all. I put it back inside because I'm not about to waste that much product, okay? So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this look. You can even bring it up a notch by adding like red lipstick for like a party or something. Just changing the lip color, or maybe, you know, some eyeshadow. But like I said, you don't need the eyeshadow. I usually don't do it because it takes me longer, so I just try to skip that step. I try to skip that step and just go with a very natural look. Also, I forgot to mention Laura Milato's Life Glam collection, and this is 1992. I love this color. It's a nude, and you could just wear it whenever and nobody can tell you nothing. So that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like I said, let me know what you guys think about this look. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would truly appreciate it if you click that subscribe button and join my family. And for those who are already subscribed, thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.